The CHIC project was aimed to see how genome editing could be of benefit to consumers in a small crop. And for that we choose chicory, which is a relatively small crop, and with small I mean grown on a little areas. Indeed, you can, in a very short time, with genome editing, on a crop which is very little researched, you can make big progress. So in potential, this could have a broad impact also on other crops.
And at the start of the project, like I said, it was an open question whether chicory would be suitable for this. But I think we found out that actually it's a very nice plant to work with.
Now I think we have chicory lines that produce healthier inulin for consumers. It's easier to extract it, so it's better for the companies that want to extract inulin. And because you need less steps in the extraction, it's also better for the environment, so it costs less energy. So it's for consumer, it's better, and I think for environment it's better, but also for the producers it's better.
We are now in a position to generate new chicory cultivars via new plant breeding technologies that either produce compounds of interest for human health, or on the other hand, to reduce the levels of these compounds in chicory for the exploitation of inulin, which is currently the main industrial product of chicory.
So new plant breeding technologies can create economic benefits and can create also environmental benefits.
That indeed these kind of very interesting scientific results, they can be implemented or put into the kind of business cases, as we could show here. And I think that was one of the main things somehow. And on the other hand, yeah, we are talking about the kind of utilization of side stream, which is completely wasted otherwise, and we can really see that the valorization potential of these side streams.
It seems that it doesn't matter which technique you're using for the editing of chicory, they all work quite well, and they all work quite safe, as we don't find any off-target so far. Another take-home message is that the regulatory regimes worldwide are still in changing conditions, so that it's uncertain how and where the journey will go for products produced with new plant breeding technologies. In some countries we have a quite relaxed regulatory regime, and in others it's quite strict and comparable to a classical GMO. So a free trade is currently not possible worldwide, and we have to see where the journey will go and how especially Europe will decide for the future of these products.
Trustful stakeholder engagement and relations need face-to-face interactions. If we would be limited to stakeholder engagement via online tools,
I agree. It's not going to work well unless you have some kind of established stakeholder pool and continue to work in that area.
And when I participate in a new EU project, I hope that this will be introduced again, because your mind gets expanded, and also that communication part of this project again was so it was more not so much on the content, which is really great. There are great results in this project, but more the interaction, the collaboration level, which was really great in this project.